Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Infiniti QX60 battery. First, locate your battery under the hood, usually on the passenger side. You will need a 10mm and a 13mm wrench for the terminals and hold down. Always wear safety gloves and glasses to protect yourself from acid. A battery terminal cleaner brush can also be very helpful for maintenance and ensuring good contact. Now let's disconnect the old battery. Always start by loosening and removing the negative terminal first using your 10mm wrench. This prevents accidental arcing. Next, disconnect the positive terminal. Finally, loosen and remove the battery hold-down clamp or bracket that secures the battery in its tray. Carefully lift out the old, heavy battery. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. First, clean the battery tray and terminals to remove any corrosion. Carefully place the new battery into the tray, ensuring it sits flat and securely. Reinstall the hold-down clamp, tightening it just enough to keep the battery from moving. Now, connect the positive terminal first, tightening it with your wrench. To finish up, connect the negative terminal last and tighten it securely. Double-check that both terminals and the hold-down clamp are snug, but do not over-tighten them. Start your Infiniti QX60 to confirm the new battery is working correctly. Remember to properly dispose of your old battery at a recycling center or auto parts store.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.